By the green pond sparkling in the morning sun, a flock of ducklings frolics about, pedaling their tiny feet, their laughter echoing everywhere. Quack, quack! The water murmurs, bubbles rustle, the wind whispers, ducklings swim around. Quack, quack, quack! The ducklings swim, wagging their tails and wings, so happy! The beautiful pond touches the clear water surface. Bubbles float gently to the surface. Friends laugh together, the whole pond is like paradise. Quack, quack, quack! Ducklings swim and splash. The little world is amazing. By the peaceful green pond, the duckling dreams of flowers. Quack, 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 quack!